This is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot support on your Asus laptops. In my case, I have the USB and we're in the boot menu. So to go in the boot menu, you have to click escape on your Asus. So what we have here, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable. I'm going to be using the arrows to navigate. So I'm going to go to the setup by clicking enter. So when you reach this point, I want you to go to advanced. So on advanced, you'll be able to see this option here. So in my case, I have the dots. I'm sorry about that. The screen is broken. I have legacy support, as you can see here. So when you enable it, you have to click enter, then you enable it. Then the next step, you're going to click the right arrow key. Then you go to boot. So when you reach boot, you have to go ahead and enable this option. What you see here, UEFI boot, so it has to be enabled. Then after that, you have to click F10 to save changes and click enter. Then the computer will reboot. Then I want you to click escape in the process. So when it goes, so the Windows has been loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and press escape. So when that happens, you have to click Ctrl-Alt-Delete to restart the computer like 4 times. Then after, you can click escape. So when you click escape, this is what you'll get. In our case, we have the USB. It has been detected, as you can see. It has Windows bootable files on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click the down arrow key. Then I'll go to General, Disk. So this is our USB drive. So when I click enter, it will ask me to click any key, as you can see there. So I'll click any key, then the computer will start loading Windows from the USB drive. So when you reach this process, you're going to wait for the Windows to load. Then you start installing the Windows. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. So when you reach this point, you'll be able to go to the process of installing Windows. So you can look for that video for installing Windows. So this is what you do. And if you click next, you'll be able to install your Windows. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.